To start off, this is what the detail page for each exercise looks like. We always include a description to set the stage for the given exercise, give the user a brief rundown of the task at hand, and include a starting point. This is also where we provide recommended reading material. We also include a glossary in which we gather key topics for the exercise so that users who have completed the exercise can come back and remind themselves of the key takeaways later. As per the description, this exercise is about insecure direct object reference, which is one of the topics from the OWASP Top 10 list. We'll be demonstrating this topic using a Java web application. After launching the exercise, the user sees the exercise interface. As this is a tutorial, there is a chatbot on the left which will guide users through the solution. The purpose of a tutorial is not necessarily to pose a challenge, but rather to teach a user about a topic. The bot is connected with each exercise and is able to detect how the user progresses as well as if they get stuck. The bot can offer hints at key points if needed and lets the user know which direction they should move towards. As a first step, the bot tells us we should log in with the provided credentials. As this is a tutorial about direct object references, we're just trying to explain the basic concept. Following the instructions, we can access a different user's reservations. That is a great risk that we need to avoid when writing software. After the successful exploit, we now need to fix the software so that it cannot be taken advantage of. To do that, we're taken to our web ID. Every piece of code the user interacts with while solving the exercise is the actual code that runs the exercise. What we change here affects the web service that we just exploited. Each exercise is its own Docker container, and whenever one has to fix code snippets, the revised snippets is what gets deployed. For validating solutions, we're running unit tests in the background. This way, there isn't one specific solution that is correct, and you're free to approach the problem any way you like, as long as it ends up with the correct functionality. For a simple demonstration of the code actually running, I can simply make a syntax error, and then we get the output of the compiler that the code is incorrect. The bot explains the logic that we need to follow with the code, so that it retains the proper functionality while not being vulnerable to insecure direct object references anymore. In this case, we can either go about fixing the code ourselves, or, as this is a tutorial, we can ask the bot for the complete solution. For the sake of time, I'll take the bot up on its offer. Updating the code based on the solution from the bot, we can arrive at the correct solution, and the test is passed. As a farewell message, the bot gives us a summary of the lessons learned in this exercise. Going back to the exercise page, I can now click the Check Solution button to complete the tutorial. Upon completion, you'll be asked to provide feedback about the exercise. This can be skipped, but we're always looking for ways to improve, and feedback is a very important part of that. You can rate the structure of the task and how confident you are about the topic at hand. We're also very keen on hearing any thoughts or suggestions about the exercise in a free text format. If you like this demo, feel free to go to our platform and challenge yourself with any one of our hundreds of exercises.